To put these on the pin pads, you first need to remove the rubber cover. You pull down that way, take it off. You can clean on there if you need to with some alcohol wipes or something that's not soaking wet. And then you take this, it has adhesive strips on it. And take them off. And you're gonna set this in place over the keys like that. Okay, and make sure you push it down like that. And now it's on there. And take your cover, put it back on. Got to line these tabs up right here with this and push it back on there. Get this one over here. And there you have it.